Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to check the Foxeer Falkor Micro FPV camera. In this video I'm going to go over its features, measure its latency, and then head outdoors and compare it side by side with the full-sized Foxeer Falkor, the Runcam Micro Eagle, and the Cadex Turbo Micro SDR2. In addition, one of you guys is going to win this camera, so all you have to do in order to participate in the giveaway is just to leave a comment down below. Make sure to like this video and also to subscribe to my channel, and once this video is going to reach 1000 views, I'm going to announce the winner. Just like the full size and the mini versions, the Foxeer Falkor Micro features a 1200 TV line CMOS sensor, the aspect ratio and the picture format can be set for the OSD, and it features a 1.8mm lens. The only choice you have when you buy this camera is the color, and you can choose between white, black and red. Inside the box we can find the camera. I've got the white version, which is according to Foxeer a limited edition. You can also find this simple camera bracket, a bag with an OSD control board, connectors, spacers and screws, and finally the instructions manual, which is identical to the Falkor Mini and the full-sized Falkor. And over here I'm going to put a link to my review of the full-sized Falkor FPV camera, where I'm going to guide you through all the camera settings. In terms of dimensions, the width of the camera is about 19.2mm, the height is about 18.5mm, and the total length between the back of the camera to the front of the lens is about 20.3mm. The weight of the Falkor Micro is 5.22 grams, so this is a pretty light micro FPV camera. Just in comparison, the Predator Micro V3 weighs 5.88 grams, the Cadex Turbo Micro SDR2 weighs 5.77 grams, the Runcam Micro Eagle weighs 8.89 grams, and the full-size Falkor weighs 13.82 grams. Now I'm going to measure the latency of the Foxeer Falkor Micro by recording video at 240 frames per second, turn off the light in the room, and then count the number of frames that it took for the FPV screen to go completely dark. So as you can see over here, I'm turning off the light. At this point the room is completely dark, but we can still see the image on the FPV screen because of the latency. Since the video is recorded at 240 frames per second, every frame represents about 4 milliseconds. So we can see it took 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and about 6 frames for the screen to go completely dark. So I can estimate that the latency of the Foxeer Falkor Micro is about 25 milliseconds. On the second part of this review, I took the Foxeer Falkor Micro and the full-size version outdoors and compared them side by side in different lighting situations with the Runcam Micro Eagle and the Cadex Turbo Micro SDR2. And on the third part, which is going to be released in the next few days, I'm going to post some flight footage. Just as a reminder, if you would like to participate in the Foxeer Falkor Micro giveaway, leave a comment down below, make sure to be subscribed to my channel, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you're not going to miss out in case you're the winner. As always, I thank you for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed it and you find it useful. If you have any questions about any of these cameras, feel free to ask it in the comment section down below, and I'll see you soon on my next videos. Goodbye.